All right, so we're back in the garage. We're back from my buddy Sal's shop. Unfortunately, I got no recording done. We got to catching up and everything like that. And before you know it, his crew was already done with my tires, mounting the tires on the rim. So anyway, they did an excellent job. I am going to be doing more projects with Sal. A few other things that's on the board that we're going to be doing in the spring, but that's down the road. So anyway, let me just show you guys how everything looks. And they looking sweet. All right, so even though I don't have the suspension and the car painted and everything, I'm curious to see the change that these rims do to the car once I mount them. So I'm just gonna get this car jacked up and let's just throw on this set and just see how it looks though. Now, moving in here, like I said, I just want to see how these rims look because I am going to be taking them the whole suspension apart along with the control arms, upper control arms and all that, replacing the brakes and getting these calipers powder coated and everything. So I'm going to upgrade a lot of this before I actually keep the rims on permanently, because this is going to be going to the body shop over the winter, and this car is going to look totally different. So under here, I'm gonna definitely want to get some undercoating paint done to the underside when I take all this suspension out. It looks really good. The car looks really clean underneath. I never had these rims taken off, but it looks pretty clean. So, but I'm gonna get this car totally transformed into my ultimate dream car. So I'm gonna mount these tires and then we'll see how they look once I get the car lowered up. So I'll see you in a little bit. So the lug nuts that I'm using is this Gorilla brand. I just wanted something close to what the rims look like, a polished chrome look. And I think these will do good with the rims. I'm just using these for right now just to mount them on and seeing how they look. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so the rims are mounted, and let me tell you, these, even with the gap that it has like a 4-inch gap off the fender. These are the stock struts, but let me tell you, when this thing gets dropped and this fender comes over that top of that tire, oh my goodness. I don't know, for some people this might be too much bling, but that's what I'm about. I love that polished look. You can see by all the cars I have, I like that polished look. Like on my convertible over here. Even when you go over to my Eclipse, it's that polished, I love that polished look. So, I mean, damn. This car is gonna look nuts. Once I'm done doing the coilovers, and then hopefully I don't have to touch the fenders. I don't think I have to, because the offset looks pretty good, and I can see how you see how it's sticking out just slightly. Once I lower the car, it's gonna be on point. Yeah, this car is gonna look tough, man. Look at that lip. Look at that bowl in the back. That is the look I was looking for. So, you know what? I'm going on the internet tonight. We're getting some coilovers. We gotta drop this puppy. I gotta see what this car looks down lowered. So if you look at the rim, if you look at the barrel, that's exactly how I want the face of the rim to look. So I think this needs to be, have a final polish on there. But we'll take care of that after the body work and all that stuff. Let me know in the comments below how you think this looks. I mean, right now it probably doesn't look like much because we got like a monster truck look going on with this 5-inch gap between the fender and the top of the tire. But look at that bowl in the back. Look at that lip. And this is what I wanted. I wanted a slight stretch. So once I lower that car, that rim is gonna look sweet. So I'm going on the web tonight. I'm gonna do some research on some coilover so we can get that gap taken care of. And I don't know why that song, they see me rolling, they hating, they're trying to catch me riding dirty. I don't know why that song just popped in my head. But yeah, we're gonna get this stuff. And another thing I do have to order that didn't come with the car is the center caps here. They're roughly about $250 for 4 of them. So I'm gonna order the center caps to get that covered up for all the rims. Big shout out to Sal's Auto Works and all the crew down there. They did a good job mounting these tires. Unfortunately, I was unable to do the shop tour like I planned. Me and my boy, we were just cutting up, just talking and you know, just enjoying all the good old stories that we talked about. So thanks again, Sal, for taking me in really quick with a short notice, and I appreciate it, brother. So anyway, we're gonna be doing more projects with Sal at Sal's Auto Works. It's a one-stop shop. I mean, he does it all from detailing to working on European cars. He has a badass Supra A90, which has me wanting to get one. So Sal, thanks, man. You got me wanting to spend more money, bro. I did not put the stickers on yet. I didn't mount the stickers. I'm gonna be using the red ones, not the blue ones. I didn't mount the stickers because I want to do a final buff on the face of this rim before I put the sticker on there. These are my dream rims, and I'm having them on my dream car. And I just look forward to getting this thing complete by the summer so I can go cruising with my other buddies, my rotary buddies, and everything like that. So guys, tell me what you think. You like, yay, nay? I like them. And I think once I get the car sitting right and the paint job with the nice shiny clear coat on there, it's gonna look really sick. So again, thanks for watching another video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, if you wanna see how this project turns out, hit that subscribe button. And it always helps to hit a thumbs up. It always helps the channel with the algorithm so we can get it going, man. So I appreciate everybody staying with me, and always love and peace.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I'll do it again.